Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe. This two-door convertible has a 12-cylinder, 6.7-liter V12 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Rolls-Royce is a great value with less than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 11 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.